I don't know if that looks like me. Hi guys, girls, non-binds, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to the How to Draw tutorial series. Here is episode 2. I wanted to do a video on how to draw faces, but I thought that's kind of skipping a step. I think we should start with self-portraiture. Yeah, the medieval selfie. What you will need is a pencil, trusty mechanical pencil, and some paper, and a mirror. Obviously, we're blessed nowadays with the technology that we have. We could technically take a picture of ourselves, like an actual selfie, and then draw from that. But the thing is, with cameras and videos, they always compress an image. It's never what we see with our eyes. Yeah. Let's get to it. So it's been a while since I've drawn a self-portraiture. Portrait even. Yeah, it's probably going back to school when I last drew a portrait of myself. So yeah, let's get to it. So I've got the mirror there. You can see you all, yep. And right, so my face is caked in makeup at the minute. But yeah, let's just get the overall shape. So with my own face, it's kind of square, my face. It's kind of like oval and square. So let's just get this down. If you're following this yourself, hopefully you've paused the video. Hopefully you've paused the video and grabbed what you need to. And yeah, I don't think anyone likes looking at themselves, unless they're narcissists. But yeah, let's just carry on. So start with the outline shape of your face. I quite like self-portraiture because why do I quite like self-portraiture? Do I quite like self-portraiture? I don't actually think I do, but this is the best way to kind of learn how to draw faces. This is the starting point. If you don't know how to draw your own face, you're not going to be able to draw anyone else's face. So I'm somehow doing the hair, and I didn't really mean to. Yeah, so now I always say start with the eyes when drawing features. This just helps map out a face. So normally faces are, you can use the rule of thirds with faces. So your eyes fall on the first row, and this is just not really accurate. It's just kind of mapping out where everything falls. Now my nose kind of stops just there, and my mouth got quite a long indent there. So it's just there. So I mean, as you can tell, that looks so much like me. Yeah, so we'll start with the eyes. Now I have almond shaped eyes. I get that from my mom. She's beautiful almond shaped eyes. And that's because we have Turkish heritage. Turkish and English. And yeah, I always think my my eczema comes from my English side. Oh yeah. So still not happy with the shape of that eye, but that's because my hair is kind of blocking that eye, kind of like dramatic Phantom of the Opera, I guess. hide my eczema. Yeah, so I look a bit dead in the eyes, but we'll fix that. We're just mapping out where the features fall. Now my eyebrows, kind of high eyelids. So, just how the light is falling as well, that's not helping. So hopefully you, when you do draw yourself, make sure the light is facing straight on so it illuminates all your features properly, as this setup with the lighting is kind of casting shadows and it's blocking out some features. So my nose doesn't look as big as I thought it would do. I don't think your nose ever looks as big as you think it does, you know. I think that's just a thing, people. So what was saying? I don't know, I might do a bit of a time lapse with this. Yeah, let's see how we get on. Stopping the time lapse. A bit of a trick to make eyes look more alive, more living, is to kind of catch the light. So what we'll do, I'm kind of cheating this light a bit because of how the ring lights are, but just capture the light. And this is actually a photo trick as well, so if you're taking selfies, make sure you've got like reflection of light in your eyes. I don't know if you can see that. It just helps bring your face to life, and yeah, bit of a trick one of my good friends taught me while filmmaking. And I've got very dark eyes. I've almost got like a black ring around my pupils. And yeah, we'll leave all the makeup to last. Now, spacing wise, I can probably bring that bit over, because they're not that close together. And yeah, let's go back to the time lapse. Another good tip I didn't tell you guys was to make sure your lines are very light, and just makes adjusting them a bit easier. If you've got an eraser, then by all means use that. In art, when I was studying it, we were kind of told not to use erasers, to kind of correct as we go. And yeah, it's a bit annoying, to be honest. So yeah, when drawing, it's ideal to have your canvas of paper at an angle. Ideally, it's supposed to be kind of parallel to how you stand. So this setup at the minute, it's not ideal, the fact that I'm drawing at an angle. But yeah, let's just roll with it, see what comes out. So just catching my eyeliner there, and And it will actually be the shading that helps that will help bring this to life. What I'm going to do now, I'll be all fancy, is bring out some of those main lines with a black ink pen. Now, like I said in a previous video, in the first video, this is only the second one, isn't it? Yeah, if you've got like a biro, you can just use that. Don't worry about any fancy art pens. Yeah. I think the features are kind of going that way, but like I said, it's because I'm drawing at an angle. Hopefully when you go to draw yourself, you'll be drawing with either your sketch pad at an angle, so it's facing you a bit more. That angle, if I turn it away a bit, I mean, that's kind of what I was seeing while I was drawing. So yeah, and obviously like looking in the mirror, my hair's flopping that way instead of flopping that way. Yeah. So I think I'm going to leave it at that. Like I said, you could take an actual selfie and draw from reference like that, but yeah, it's kind of interesting what your eyes pick up, especially with movement. So obviously when you turn to look at yourself and you turn into the paper, it's interesting to draw a live reference opposed to a flat picture. If you enjoyed that, please do subscribe, guys, girls, non-binds. So with these how to draw tutorial series, the whole point is kind of start from the basics and work ourselves up. It's a great exercise for myself. Like I said, I haven't really drawn pencil to paper for a long time. I've been drawing on my digital tablet, and a lot of it's just been cartoon style. And yeah, do catch my time-lapse playlist as well. I'm starting to do those every Tuesday, and you can expect a how to draw video every bi-weekly Thursday, I think, as I have a few other videos I'd like to get done in between all that as well. Yeah, I think that's it. Have fun. Don't get annoyed if your drawings don't look exactly how you want them to. I don't think art ever kind of translates how we see it in our brain to paper. Hey, that's it guys, girls, non-binary. Stay classy, stay awesome, and be kind, and bye. That's it, that's the introduction. Bit of a time lapse. Like I said, that's not bad for like a comic book character, I guess. My eyes are wonky though. It could be wonky in real life, to be honest. And yeah, hopefully I'll be